Good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa namang video bus vlog ngayong araw na to, August 13, 2024, Wednesday here in Wellington, New Zealand. So gagamitin ng bus number ngayon ay si 5707 with registration plate number NQY 744, which will expire on August 2, 2025. Come on, let's engage the all good. Uh, okay, all good. Damage. Damage 5707. Damage and that's all for our video bus vlog ngayong araw na to. Till next video bus vlog, paalam.